good morning everyone. Today is Saturday and a weekend. And ngayon gagawa ako ng isang muffin na tinatawag na Noodles muffin. And this is one of my creation that masasabi natin na masarap siya, kakaiba sa lahat. So, we will start. So, today, iba tayo. Hindi tayo gagamit ng butter. We will use oil. You can use also butter, but today is oil ang gagamitin ko. Any kind of oil, but this one is boards oil, or you can get yung boards or olive oil or corn oil or whatever you are using. Okay, yan ang gagamitin kong parang butter niya po. Okay, tapos ilalagay ko, mostly ilalagay natin ang mga liquid. Okay, the one is a milk. This one is an egg. 2 eggs. And this one is a castor sugar. Yung castor sugar is fine din, but rough than, a bit rough than icing sugar. Kumbaga, castor sugar sinasab ang tawag niya, castor sugar. Then mix it. Ito madali lang ito kasi oil ang ginamit. And this is ideal to the people that they don't have a blender or mixer. Since I'm using all the traditional one and not using a mixer or whatever, kasi in the olden days we don't have a mixer, right? So okay, now the egg is well mixed already, and we will add this one is a vanilla, 1 teaspoon. Okay, then now we will put the 250 flour. You can use also self-rising flour. You no need to put a baking powder, but me, I'm using a self-rising. I know it's a flour, it's a plain flour. This one is an all-purpose flour. You can use a top flour also. That is nice for the cakes, for the refined fine cakes. You know. You see. Okay. Make sure yung flour nyo ay strain nyo muna para wala siyang buhol-buhol, para hindi kayo mahirapan mag-mix. Okay? Okay, this is the best part now. We will add this 50 grams of noodles, whatever noodles you have, yung instant noodles. Ito. Yan. Okay. And this one is the baking powder, that 1 teaspoon. Okay. Okay. see, that's it. Is one already done, already mixed. Okay, and see you later when I mold it. Okay guys, this is the noodle cupcakes. Okay, ayan oh. Maganda siya. And thank you guys for watching my videos. And sino man hindi nakasubscribe, pwede kayong din mag-subscribe para ma-notify kayo kung meron akong bagong mga videos. And click yung notification all. Thank you.